Hey, what's up? I'm waiting on my order. Y'all, sorry. First of all, it's hot, but let me just show y'all queen crabs. Queen crabs, y'all, on Peachtree. If y'all in Atlanta, queen crabs. Y'all, I just bought 2 things of crabs. I don't know why, because I'm about to go, be eating some crabs soon. But y'all, let me show y'all this receipt, the total. For some crab, some shrimp, extra egg, corn, sausage, potato. Y'all, I'm telling y'all my total. Y'all see this? This is my total, y'all. Ridiculous, so expensive. And I tipped her on top of gratuity, so $92 for some crab, y'all. Too expensive, way expensive, but it's way worth it because it's so good, y'all. So if y'all in Atlanta, y'all want a little crab spot other than Juicy Crab, all them other places, Crab Queens, TT, he did it in Atlanta, y'all. So busting. So y'all, be back. TT, hey, what's up? I'm waiting on my order, y'all, to show y'all where I'm going. To Queen Crabs, Crab Queens. I always get the name mixed up, but that's it right there, y'all. If y'all in Atlanta, that's the place I'm at, on Peachtree. So y'all ever want to check them out, come check them out. I just saw TT, y'all, too. Oh, it's my order really. This shit's good.
They call you.
Huh?
They call you.
No, I'm trying to make sure. They ain't alright, I'm just checking.
What's your?
I did want to get a drink. I want to ask him. I'm back home and I almost got caught in a protest. It took me forever to get here, but I finally made it. But this is my order from Crab Queens, you guys. Make sure you check them out. And nonetheless, they got my order wrong, you guys, because I was supposed to have shrimps on both orders. One for me and one for Mariah. Shrimps on both orders. And they gave me some rice. I don't know what rice this is. I did not order this, but they did not give me my shrimp. So I'm about to get ready to head back up there to get my shrimps because I want my shrimps. Almost $100 for this order. So I want my food right. So yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like. It's so good, you guys. So if y'all looking for a new seafood in Atlanta, y'all already know where to go. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but I am eating. Mariah got her shrimp and stuff over there. See if I can sit y'all right here. The lighting is crazy. Maybe I should turn the other way, but I don't know if I should turn the other way. But y'all, I'm about to taste the rice that they gave. I don't know. And I'm recording off my vlog camera, y'all. So I got some little braids, but I'm about to try this. You want to try the rice? No?
My thing is all waiting.
It's like Cajun rice. I don't know. I'm about to eat. I'm eating.
Can you hear this?
Yeah, if y'all haven't checked out Queen Crab in Atlanta, y'all missing out. Y'all, so leaving the crab place, I almost ran into a protest. Stand up for a cause. But I want all this to end. All the racism, all the hate. And we all can just love one another and protect one another. Be there for one another. Support one another. Care for one another. Y'all, this world will be a better place. It'll be so much better. It'll be so much better. And that's what's important, because our kids, for everyone that do have kids, they have to live in that generation that's coming up next. Like, we have to make, as an adult, we have to make better decisions for our upbringing of our kids, because once we leave, they here. Then what? Like, we have to make it right for them. And I feel like that's what people fail to realize. The things that you do as an adult, it affects if you have kids or if you don't have kids. The things that you do, and then long run you have kids, or years later you have kids, you want to make sure that you always doing the right thing for the upbringing of your kids, y'all. If that makes sense. I don't know. It's a more supportive thing, I feel like. Regardless, I feel like it do starts in the home. I worked in childcare, and I see the kids that's like, they're like amazing kids, but they're not getting their support either from home or from the people around them. You listen to me, or you just watching me? You have to support. I ain't even in, y'all. You have to support. It's all about supporting each other. I feel like a lot of than what they get at home, or more love and support from their friend, their neighbor, more support from just any little way, anywhere. That matters. It definitely matters. So they already feel alone. You never know what people upbringing is in their homes. I know everybody don't have the best of things. Everybody wasn't born to have this, that, and the third. That's why it's so important to support and love one another, because you just never know. God worked through people, y'all. God worked through people. God speak through people. So you just never know. Sometimes it's so important to be careful what you say. Be careful with your words, especially being a leader. You have to be careful what you say. All lives do matter. So, I don't want to stay on that topic too much. I just wanted to say that. What, man? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Y'all, that's crazy, because every time I step out in these Atlanta streets, I'm always seeing somebody. It never feels like I always see somebody famous, a celebrity. It never feels like, every time I go out in these Atlanta streets, I'm always seeing people. Right? I think it's meant for me.
I wish I was
Right. So you would have been. But I'm always meeting and seeing people, y'all. It never fails. Maybe it's a sign. And I started to like, can you be on my vlog? Because I was vlogging. Well, I was talking to you guys. Y'all see the little clip. But I'll just add a little clip. I mean, speaking to him. I ain't show him, but y'all can hear me like talking to him or whatever. I just add it in the video. But and I'm always meeting people there. I met Famous Ocean there. Then today saw him. But I'm always meeting people, y'all. Right? It never fails. I'm gonna see somebody that's up, like celeb. And I know I don't be getting them on the vlog half of the time. I don't be having my vlog camera with me, but I do be meeting people. Like I said, I was about to record him, but I ain't gonna be with the camera like, ah. He was with his friends. I'm full. You full?
Yeah.
I'm full for now.
I thought I'm recording this because I want to put in the view.
I ain't got no B-Love.
You ran out?
I just hope y'all staying safe. Continue to stay prayed up, because we need all the prayer. Everybody needs the prayer. Continue to pray for the world. I always pray for everyone. Ever since I was a little kid, I always prayed for the world. I always pray for everyone.
Let's taste it.
Y'all, it's so greasy. Another thing about this place, they don't really have like a sauce. This is the regular sauce, but they have like barbecue sauce, Cajun, stuff like that. They don't have like lemon pepper, garlic, stuff like that. Y'all don't mind me, I got one nail. Y'all was trying to pop these nails off. I got still a full hand of nails, and I got one over here, but I've been trying to pop these nails off, and I guess that's why I'm so used to always wearing my natural nails, because I don't like that. But trying to pop these off, baby, I would rather go get them soaked. I always get them soaked, so popping them off never been my thing, right? That hurts when I pop them. Yeah, I don't really like it. Now, see, last time I ate here, they put the potatoes in the cups with the seasoning all together. I don't know why they put it all in one thing now, but it's still good. What's that? The egg? In there.
Right here?
This
one? This one.
You can put your shrimp in there. Put your shrimp and your sausage in there. But y'all, I am full, y'all. I got a real bird belly, but I still got a lot left, so I'm gonna eat this later. But yeah, you guys, I need to get, y'all see a little car, a right little old car. I don't have nowhere to put it. I'm gonna try to probably give it away to somebody. If you know anybody that needs a little Mercedes car, it still works like new, got the charger, everything, y'all let me know, because I'm giving it away. And I'm giving it away, and I'm trying to make sure I get everything that we not taking to our new house when we get ready to move. So yeah, you guys, I'm pretty full. I done ate, and it didn't take much. I think it was those potatoes that filled me up the most. I ate, well, they gave me like 3 crab legs, so I ate like half of them. And I added the broccoli myself. I steamed my own broccoli, so, and I ate some of this rice as well, but I only ate a little bit of that, so it wasn't what I asked for. And I don't like Cajun rice, something like that, whatever. It's like, it tastes like jambalaya. That's what it is. It looks like jambalaya, but I don't like all that. But this is what I got left, and I am pretty much done and full, you guys. Y'all see the girl's skin clearing up? I should have was this away so y'all could have been able to see me better. So I don't know why I wasn't this way. You see the difference, the lighting? Mariah got sauce all over her mouth. But you guys, I am a little bit full. Y'all see my skin clearing up. All I need to do now is pretty much get the what it is, the dark spot, the lighting spot, whatever, the cream. I got the Ambi, yeah, the where you put it on your spots and it kind of like evens your tone, your skin tone out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm silly, but I don't know, I'm full right now. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys want to see more videos on my channel, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I know I want to do a morning routine, but if you guys want to see that, y'all just let me know what type of stuff y'all want to see. Y'all, I have so much content that I can create and put out there for you guys, but I just don't want to be throwing a lot of stuff out there and you guys don't want to see it. I'd rather you guys just tell me if it's something that you're interested in. Like, get ready get ready with me. As a single mom, my mornings, and and then also a nighttime routine as a single mom. Y'all, 365 days out the year, period. Like, so y'all want to see that, let me know. I also want to do a video how to get out of a toxic relationship, or how to deal with a toxic relationship, anything, something like that, or how to get over a breakup. Y'all let me know. I'm open to share that, my tips and tricks with you guys. What's another one? So yeah, sorry y'all, my camera cut off. So I got like other hair videos coming soon, but I also want to do like more sit down chit chat with you guys, and you know, engage with you guys a little bit more, especially my female audience, and young adult audience, male too, but mainly females. I'm a female, so I can only speak for a woman's perspective. So let me know if that's something y'all interested in. I got a lot of tips for you guys, and y'all, so a lot of y'all know that I'm in the midst of putting my book out. My book is pretty much complete. I'm just in the stage of my beta readers and getting everything sent to the editors. A lot of that stuff take time, you guys. I did not think that putting a book out take this long, but it actually takes time, especially when you want things done the right way. So y'all, my book is my heart. So, but it's a lot of information in the book as well, how I dealt with things and how I got over them and achieved them and pushed forward. You feel me? So with that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Ask me some questions, because I am open to answer and help the next person or anyone, any shape, form, and matter. I want to help you guys. Anything, I want to just help. So let me know what I can do for you, and I'll talk to you guys later.